Tell them once this unfortunate business is taken care of, we'll all go down to the club and celebrate, okay?
Ooh, got the bitches. Don't forget the bitches. Alright, let's do another mission. Taking out the laundry.
Take a seat, kid.
The triads.
Take a goddamn seat.
Okay, shit.
So the laundry won't pay any protection, huh? The triads think they can mess with me? Let's teach these would-be tough guys what it means to be a tough guy.
Give him some respect.
Who the
Son of mine gets it by some triads. Your father,
sorry,
God
Ma.
rest his soul, took no crap from those triads.
Yes, Ma.
Sicily.
I want you to
Where's she
destroy
at?
their laundry vans and mangle any triad gimp that gets in your way.
Alright, cool. Hey, my guy know.
can supply you with what you're gonna need.
My boy 8-Ball got me? Alright, cool. Hold on. Go. Make your turn. Make that turn. Make that turn. Okay, 50 health. Okay. Good, good, good. And this car is still going. It's still kicking. Hold on. Well, I ain't that broke. I don't need the money. Oh, yeah. You coming down the right road. You went down the wrong way, big fella. Get out the way. Ooh, the explosions is nice. Oh, it's already on fire. Good. I just bumped him one time. 20 G's. Bro, we up in the bag. No cap. I will not lie to y'all. We're gonna spend down this. We're gonna spend 6 G's. Spend down to 7. Alright, we under just a little under 70 G's. Did I say 7 G's? A little under 70 G's. Cuz got a pump shotgun, so let's leave up out of here. I don't want no smoke with Cuz to pick up.
Stop making people bleed. Or trying to. He'll never be as tough as his pop. But he left you a note on the table.
The laundry has agreed to pay. You did real good, kid. Go collect the cash and bring it back here. Watch out for the triads. They may be shoving a firecracker up your ass. But don't take no crap. Nobody, I mean nobody, messes with Toni Cipriani.
I thought it was Cipriani, but you got it. Hey, it's your name. It's your name. I will not lie to y'all. Your boys, I'm having a lot of fun with this shit. No bullshit. Hold on, wait. Keep the gun up. No setups. I knew it. I knew it. Can y'all put the camera back on me so that I know what I'm doing? Wow. No, shoot this. Let me get that up off you, boss. Hold on, no police officers pulling up. Oh, this nigga tried to hit me with a bat. Bitch, I dare you to. Yeah, this shit. Oh. Where you niggas come from? Oh, police. Shit. Hey, Mr. Officer, can you leave me alone? I gotta kill one more. Get the cash back to Tony's. Alright. Come on. Still. No, 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 no. Fuck. Look, let me get this. Let me get this. Let me get this. Let me get this. Get out, ma'am. Get out. Go, 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 go. Okay. Look, y'all must not know who this guy is. Oh my goodness. That was a rush. I won't lie. It was a rush. Actually, hopefully our health just go up automatically. Salvatore's called a meeting. Salvatore's called a meeting. Salvatore.
I need you to collect the limo and his boy Joey from the garage. Then get Luigi from his club. Come back here and pick me up.
Alright,
Then we'll
bet.
all drive over to the boss's place together. Those triads, they don't know when to stop.
Alright.
They want a war, they got a war.
Yes, sir.
Now get going.
Okay, hey, I'm getting the hang of the aim and all of that shit. So should be straight. Hey, I got 100 health. I'm loving it. Cipriano, let me take your car. Yes, I can take his car. Good. Shit, that music was giving your boy some energy. Shit, some synergy. This nigga got in on the passenger side and slipped. Okay,
How
he
you
got
doing?
it. Hey, I'm doing okay. You know he ain't gonna say nothing. This boy's a mute. I wonder will I get revenge. Look, like I said, I've never played this game. I only played GTA San Andreas and GTA 5. I continue to say that because I don't know what episode people are clicking in on. I don't know. But hopefully he gets revenge on his ex-baby girl who shot him in his face. Pulling up. Sound the horn. Is he gonna pull up? I was about to say, get in. Is that the guy who always hold? No, that's the guy who always telling me the orders. Hey, I'm doing okay. I don't know why they do that knowing that he's not gonna talk. Shake the cop. Oh, this is my shit right here. If you don't change. Hurry your fat ass up. If you don't change. If you don't change. Who is this?
Crap.
Y'all commented shit. Damn, bitch. Damn. Damn. What the fuck? Oh, are they coming for me? Oh, they are coming for me. I didn't know that. They done messed the car all up. They done closed me in, all types of shit. If you don't change.
You did good back there, kid. Real good. Come on, let's introduce you to the Don.
Hey, Louis.
The Don?
My
Perry
girls have been
Young?
missing you so long, Salvatore.
I'm a Donnie
You've been away
rocking
too
purple.
long.
Tell them once this unfortunate business is taken care of, we'll all go down to the club and celebrate, okay?
Ooh, got the bitches? Don't forget the
It's
bitches.
my boy.
How you doing, Pop?
You got yourself a good woman yet?
Hell no, he don't get no
Your
booty.
mother, God bless her soul, would be turning over in her grave to see you without a wife.
I know, Pop. I'm working on it.
He don't
Tony,
get no booty.
how's your mama? She's a great woman, you know, strong, Firenze.
She's good. Fine.
Terrific, terrific. Now listen, you guys, you go inside.
Yeah,
while
I
talk
don't
to
get
my
no
new
warm
friend
welcome.
here.
Oh, okay.
I see nothing but good things for you, my boy.
That's respect. That's respect. 15 G's? I fucking love it.